Let's start with a common scenario affiliated with customer reviews. Imagine you have a data set of customer reviews and you want to understand the overall sentiment towards your product. Copilot can support you with determining the sentiment. A simple prompt like "Analyze sentiment" might yield some results, but it's not very specific. To get more meaningful insights, we need to refine our prompt. Instead of a generic prompt, we can ask, what are the most common positive and negative words used in customer reviews? We now have specific words that reveal the positive and negative aspects of customer sentiment. We can even take it a step further and ask, what are the top 3 customer complaints? And now we have a concise list of the most frequent issues raised by customers. This data can be invaluable to identifying customer needs and problems within the data. We've moved from a general sentiment analysis to actionable insights that can inform product improvements or customer service strategies. This is the power of prompt engineering. Refining prompts is an iterative process. You might need to experiment with different phrasings, keywords, and sentence structures to get the best results. It's helpful to think about the specific information you want to extract from the data and tailor your prompt accordingly. Instead of just identifying complaints, let's ask Copilot to categorize them. This helps us understand the broader issues affecting customer satisfaction, allowing us to address them more strategically. With a simple refinement of our prompt, we've moved from a list of complaints to a more structured understanding of customer concerns. This thematic categorization helps us identify patterns and prioritize areas for action. We can continue to iterate and refine our prompts to uncover even more specific insights. Let's ask Copilot, which product categories receive the most negative feedback regarding product quality? This targeted query allows us to pinpoint areas where product quality might be lacking, enabling us to prioritize improvements and address customer concerns proactively, ultimately leading to increased customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Now, let's step back and compare the insights we've gained through generative AI with those obtained through traditional data analysis methods. Let's switch over to a comparison in Excel of Copilot's generative AI versus traditional data analysis tools. Traditional methods, such as pivot tables and manual chart creation, often require significant time and effort. They also rely heavily on the analyst's expertise in using these tools and understanding of the data. Here's what creating a pivot table might look like in a traditional data analysis tool. Now, here's what manually creating a chart might look like. In contrast, generative AI tools like Copilot can quickly surface patterns and trends that might not be immediately obvious through manual exploration. By leveraging features like Analyze Data and the chat functionality, Copilot can automate complex calculations and provide insights in a matter of seconds. Type in, "Show me the top 5 products in sales." A bar chart is automatically generated based on our query. The bar chart includes the top 5 products ranked by sales, with clear labels for each product and their corresponding sales figures on the axes. What a difference there is comparing generative AI to traditional data analysis tools. While Copilot is a powerful tool, it's important to be aware of its limitations compared to traditional data analysis methods. In Copilot, let's type in, "Show me the sales trend for the past year." Copilot has generated a simple line chart, which is not as detailed as we wanted it to be. Copilot could have added more detail by including a breakdown by month or product category. Similarly, while Copilot can generate visualizations automatically, it might not always offer the same level of customization and control as manually created charts. You can use Copilot's quick insights and visualizations as a starting point for your exploration, then leverage traditional tools like pivot tables and custom charts to dive deeper and refine your analysis. This collaborative approach empowers you to harness the best of both worlds, ensuring that your data analysis is both efficient and insightful.